Good morning, YouTube. Dan the Man here. Actually, today I'm Dan the DIY Man, and I'm bringing to you Inawera's Sesame and Sesame 2.0. Stick around, stick around, stick around. That's so good, man. So good. You guys, the Sesame is phenomenal. I was sent this by Inawera for the purpose of this taste slash review slash single flavor test. A lot of slashing going on. It's not Friday the 13th, is it? I don't know. Alright, I'm tripping. I'm acting weird. Let us continue. Turned on to it by one of my subscribers, and you know who you are, Cat Kitty. And I have a kitty cat that just went through. I'm surprised she didn't jump up on the desk. Anywho, she's right. Spectacular. I'd like to, Cat Kitty, if you are listening and watching this review, please leave a comment. I'd like to see some of your recipes if you wouldn't mind sharing with the community. But if not, I completely understand. Believe me, I understand. Anywho, I want to say that the 2.0 is better. Instead, I'm going to say it's different. Okay, the first Sesame. First thing I do is get a smell of it. It's that same smell that you get with acetylpyrazine, with the biscuit, with Gentleman. This Sesame reminds me of that walnut. It doesn't taste like it. It just reminds me of it. It reminds me, oh shit. I almost dropped pure concentrate onto my cotton. Wow. With the first Sesame, you get the smell of sesame. Oh, like I said, it's the same smell as a biscuit has. Then I'm getting that toasty sesame right up front, and it's good. And the back end is where it's reminding me of the walnut, because there's a bittersweetness on the back end, which disappears completely in a recipe. How do I know this? Because I have a recipe made up with that in it, and I didn't taste it. Now, if I'd have known, I would have used 2.0. Now, the 2.0, oh, you guys, doesn't have the bitter sweet back end. Wow. That tastes like sesame seeds, you guys. It does. And it's fabulous. You're getting more. It's a more full flavor than the 1.0. There's even more mouthfeel in it, which is a plus in my book. Yeah, you guys, it's freaking phenomenal. This recipe is, hold on, let me look. Okay, the recipe is a smoky plum pudding I'm going to leave a link, and I'm also going to do my own recipe. But in the meantime, this recipe is really quite tasty. It's not mine. I got it from a member on eliquidrecipes.com. Wow. It's friggin' phenomenal. Alright, you guys. The next video, we're going to make a recipe. In the meantime, go get you some Sesame 2.0. If you enjoy the bittersweetness on the back end, pick up the Sesame. That's it, just Sesame. Stanley Man signing out, my friends. Ooh, I'm gonna send you out with a Rama Lama Ding Dong.